Alright guys, here I have cherry bomb. Let's see, it's gonna be kind of hard to see. It's a cherry bomb extreme 7425 CB. Alright, and the way I set this up is, oh by the way, it's the dual exhaust coming out the back, but it's not true dual or whatever. Oh, and don't mind that, I'm gonna weld that as soon as I get to the shop, but it ain't going nowhere, so I don't have to really worry about it. Only thing I don't like is that, I mean, it's not the same size, but a weld should fix that right up. And as well, I'll weld these up as well. These clamps are just temporary. I just wanted to get this hooked up and check the sound. And I got these running all the way to the back. Yeah, I had to cut the piece to turn into a Y into that. But yeah, let's hear how it sounds. Alright. Let's start her up. Sounds pretty good to me. Well, that's it right there. I'd say it sounds pretty damn good, better than before. Now, what was I gonna say? Hopefully that sound wasn't too scratchy or anything. Hopefully you guys can hear it good. But yep, that's my cherry bomb extreme on the 1990 Chevy Silverado.